Hi everybody, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm here with my online workshop, the March online workshop. And so I'm just going to give a quick run through of how this works. The tutorial, the online workshop tutorial, is free for everybody to enjoy, to watch, to get ideas from. But if you want to place an order with me, then you're going to get some extra goodies too. So anybody who places an order with me, to be honest, at any time, but particularly by Sunday evening, is going to get some goodies. So no matter what size order you place with me, you will get a thank you card sent through the post to you. It's usually at the end of the month, so it depends on quite when things fall. But if you place an order over £30 with me, then you're also going to get the Ideas Tutorial Bundle. Now, the Ideas Tutorial Bundle is a bundle of different projects from demonstrators, Stampin' Up! Demonstrators throughout the world. So we've got some from the UK, some from US, Australia, all over the place. And this month, our project theme is to use up scraps. And these are the two projects that I've included in the project tutorial bundle for using scraps. So I'm going to put those to one side. The blog hop goes live tonight, so you can have a little look. So it goes live on Wednesday evening, because I'm filming a little bit in advance for a change. So it goes live on Wednesday, the 1st of March. So you'll be able to have a look at projects from all of the different demonstrators. So if you spend over £30 with me, you're going to get that tutorial bundle emailed to you. If you spend over £50 with me, then in addition to the thank you card, in addition to the tutorial bundle, you're going to get tonight's make and take pack. So these are the project make and take packs that we're going to be working with tonight. So we're going to be using the Rain or Shine Specialty DSP for these. And then we're going to be using the Easter Bunny Punch for these two projects. Okay. So finally, if you spend over £70 with me, then you're going to get a thank you card, the Ideas Tutorial Bundle, the Make and Take Pack, and you're going to get 24 sheets of DSP and specialty paper. You'll get a bundle of 24 sheets of 6x6 papers. So that's a little extra as well. Celebration has unfortunately finished now, but you know, if you want to get best value for money, then you can have a little look in our clearance rack and see what there is in there as well. Right, so like I say, that's how things work, but we're going to be working through these make and take projects. Of course, you can always go online and order the bits that you need to replicate these yourselves, or you can purchase something totally different. So don't feel that you have to purchase what I'm showing tonight. Your purchase to qualify for these things can be anything, you know, whatever is current within the catalogues. If you need any help ordering, please just DM me, email me, text me, whichever you prefer to do, and I will help you with your order. Or you can use the links that are in either the Facebook or the blog post, whichever it is you're looking at, or even on YouTube. You can get the links to be able to go online and order for yourself. You do need to be using the hostess code, which I've given links that should automatically put that in. And the hostess code changes each month, so just double check that there's a hostess code there and you'll get these. Okay, so let's move on to our first project.